It was about 4 months from the time I first saw the doctor until the time I was pretty much at my wit's end, trying to find another solution. And I went to the internet and started Googling frozen shoulder and stumbled upon something called active release therapy, and that's how I found you.
Well, I'm going to pause. Okay, go ahead.
So I had this frozen shoulder. It was in my left shoulder, and it was actually the second one that I had. The first one I had, which was probably 6 years prior, I had the mobility was restricted, but I didn't have any pain whatsoever. With the second frozen shoulder, I think the pain was just so debilitating that there were days where I almost couldn't even function. In fact, there was one weekend where I thought, since it was my left arm and the pain would radiate down to my elbow and in my bicep, I thought, gosh, am I having a heart attack? I mean, it was just really, the pain was really tough. So I was going through physical therapy at the time, and I had seen my orthopedic doctor, and they just kept telling me to be patient. It's got to run its course. I even had a cortisone shot, and that helped the pain for a couple of days, but then it came right back. So around the October time frame, and this was about 4 months after I first started noticing the pain and the restricted mobility, I just started Googling and said, there's got to be a better way. Has to be another answer. I guess I'm just not a very patient or tolerant person. So I said, I'm going to find something else. And I stumbled upon the ART and started doing the active release therapy with you. And that's when I almost immediately, I'd say within the first week or two of coming here, and I can't remember if it was twice a week or 3 times a week. I think it was only twice. It wasn't until I started doing that I really started seeing results with not just the mobility but the pain and actually starting feeling like a human again.